Hello and welcome to another short video tutorial. In the last video, we imported existing data to the system. This time we'll create a batch of empty data module shells by importing an XL DMRL file. Importing a pre-populated DMRL file removes the necessity to create individual data modules either inside or outside of the system. An Excel format DMRL template file is provided to give you the correct columns required, and this can be used as a start point for which to build your DMRL. If you already have a DMRL file, the chances are it will be simple enough to transfer the data from your file into the template file ready to upload. To import a DMRL file, firstly make sure you have the correct project selected, then click the Data Modules menu, then click DMRL to display the current data in the project. From the top right, click the Excel Operations button and then click the Download Sample File link. The DMRL template will be downloaded to your PC. Open the file and make any necessary changes within the DMRL. In this instance, we'll leave the dummy data but change the originator and RPC codes to match what we have in our current project. Now save the changes. Now, to return to the Excel Operations menu, this time click Import from Excel. A file picker dialog will appear. Find and select the Excel DMRL file. You'll be notified that the import has started. Should there be any problems with the import, you'll receive a notification. If you click on the notification, you'll be able to download the DMRL file from the system, this time with an extra column that shows the error next to the respective data module entry row. Assuming there are no errors, however, a notification will show the import as successful. Refresh the screen to see the new data modules listed in the DMRL view. In the next video, we'll show the third and final way in which to add data modules to the system, and that's creating data modules via the new data module dialog.